Hi friend, Yolanda here, and it's Fertilizer Friday. So let's grab our fertilizer, shake it up really good, measure out 4 tablespoons for each gallon of water, and get the veggies ready to be fed. I fertilize the first and third Friday of every month. This is a volunteer plant that just popped up in my little red tote. I have no idea what it is, but I love it because it's free food. So I'm gonna fertilize it too, just to keep it alive, because it is life, it is hope, and it makes me feel so good this Friday. Just pretend you don't see the weeds in the tote with it though, okay? I'm gonna clean it out soon, I promise. These are more volunteer plants that I found growing. I know there's a broccoli plant in there and kale, and I'm not sure what else, but since they're there, I'm gonna go ahead and fertilize them too. Now it's time to water everything in, according to the instructions, that is. I probably gave this one a little bit too much water, but whatever it is, hopefully it will be okay. This is a forsythia bush, and according to the landscaping world, when this bush starts to bloom, that means warm weather is right around the corner. So look, it's got buds already. Spring is coming.